All right, check this out, guys. I just got my new jumper, and of course this is for vehicles, or if you want to charge your phone, you can do that too, but it's more for vehicles. So you're stranded because you have a bad battery. This is probably one of the best things to actually use with you. It's very simple to use. I'm going to demo some of the stuff, how to use this, all right? And we're not going to charge our car because we have a good battery right now. Gives you all the information, how to connect your positive to your negative, and so forth. Now, to start, you can power it up right now. It tells you how much battery life we have in here. It's 92% right now. But you're going to need the requirement to plug in this part here. You guys can see that, plug in here. It's like a puzzle piece, so you got to make sure that you circle and circle and square and square. So what you got to do is plug this in, and we're not going to plug it in because I don't want to do a short circuit or anything like that. But your positive and your negative, all right? You have access to that here, positive and negative. You charge it up, all right? That's pretty much where you plug it in. So once you have that powered up, hit start button and you're ready to go. So right now we're gonna unplug it because we don't want to do a shock or anything. We don't want to shock ourselves or anything like that. But right now this thing is very powerful. You could get maybe about 5 to 6 charges out of this before it starts draining out. All right, one of the best things here, when you power it up, you got to make sure you charge it up. You hit the charge button, but that's only it identifies these systems in here and it's ready to go. Now another great thing is about it, if you're on the side and it's dark, look at this, hold down the power button for a couple seconds, you get a light. Right now it's daylight right now, but out it's gonna tell you exactly how much. You put this on the side of the car, get a flat. This is a perfect way to do it. More sensor, if you guys can see that, and then SOS, and then off. So not only is it a great charger for other devices in your car, vehicle, and then like I said, if you want to plug in your devices, you can do that here. Now this is going to require power, and there's a couple ways you could power this, all right? And included with it, they give you the actual case with it. They give you 2 different types of ways to charge this. The plug itself, type C to type C, and then type C to type A, and then of course they give you a power connection to connect directly to your cigarette lighter, right? So that's another great option you have in here. It's all included in the bag, its own carrying case, so you won't lose any of the parts in case of emergency. I would definitely keep this in your car if you're doing long distance drive, or if somebody needs help on the side of the road and needs a jump start. This is a great way. Instead of you parking in front of them or reversing yourself or making modifications just to give them a jump start, just get off with this simple device and help them out. So very simple. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.